working with this number this week. Do you remember what number this is? This is the number 15. Okay, let's count the mushrooms together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember, the 15 is a 1 and a 5 together. Now let's go over all the other numbers that we've worked with so far, and then we're going to go back to the number 15 and do something else. Okay, you remember this number? What is this one? That's 0. Remember, 0 means nothing. And what about this one? That's 1. And how many do we see? 1. And what about this one? This is number 2. Let's count together. 1, 2. And what is this one here? This is 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Remember this number here? That's number 4. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is this one? This is number 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember this number here? This is a 6. Now remember, the 6 has the opening on the bottom. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is that number? 6. Good. All right, how about this one? Remember this number? This is number 7. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember this number here? This is number 8. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, how about that one? Remember that number? 9. Remember, the 9 has the opening on the top. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, how about that number? Do you remember that number? That's number 10. Number 10 is a 1 and a 0. Remember, you see 1, 0 together. What number is it? 10. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, remember, it's very important to point to one at a time, okay? And what number is this one? 11. 11 is a 1, 1 together. Let's count number 11 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we have this number, which is 12. This is number 12. A 12 is a 1 and a 2 together. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then do you remember what number came after that? 13. Okay, 13 is a 1, 3. This is number 13. Let's count the 13 flowers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is this number? 13. Good. And how about this one? Do you remember this number here? That's number 14. Number 14 is a 1 and a 4 together. That's number 14. Let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is that? 14. And then the one we started working with this week is 15. Okay, 15 is a 1, 5. This is number 15. Let's count the mushrooms again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is that number? 15. Okay, I'm going to put this up here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do this paper here with the number 15. Okay, now we see the 1 and the 5 for number 15. Do you know what these things are? These are tractors. People would use tractors on a farm to help them work on the field, to plow the fields and stuff. So these are tractors. And down the bottom we have the word 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do our number 15, and we're going to do our word 15 on the bottom, and we're going to count and color the tractors. And we've done this lots of times, but remember when we're counting, we're going to be coloring, counting at the same time. Okay, so let's start with our number 15 at the top, and we'll color in the 1. There's our 1 and our 5. 1 and a 5 together is the number 15. Okay, we have our word 15 down here on the bottom. We have F, I, F, T, E, E, N. Okay, that's how we spell 15. So here's our number 15, and we're going to do our tractors one at a time. Now you can make them all different colors if you want. You can make them all one color if you want. But the important thing is we don't want to do this. We don't want to go across the whole page. We want to go one at a time and count them one at a time as you're coloring them. Okay, so let's start together. Any color you want to make them. Okay, so we're going to do one at a time. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see what we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14. Do you remember what comes after 14? What's that number we're working with this week? 15. All right, we'll go back. We'll do our wheels the same way. We'll count our tractors as we're doing our wheels this time. Okay? Let's count our tractors again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so work with the number 15. It's a 1 and a 5. Let's count the tractors together one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so what is this number that we're working with? 15. Good job.